Hello, everyone. This is Luis from Concrete Design and Repair. I am a concrete polishing expert here in the Georgia area. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to get a maintenance-free, non-slip floor. And the option that we provide to that based on research, and I can give you a guide if you give me the link below, is that polishing concrete outsurpassed most, if not all, other flooring options when it comes to maintenance, required maintenance. This for the reason being that it doesn't attract and it doesn't retain dust. It doesn't retain germs and particles like other flooring options might do that might cause allergies and other things like that. Um, in case it is a waterproof option. If water was to fall in your flooring, but if you had a some type of some issue like that with a lot of flooring option, most options will make the flooring come up and it will have to be replaced. It is less expensive to its closest alternative, which will be stone. But stone is as you can search, is very expensive options, and this is the option that you will see on most high scale homes. And concrete, polished concrete, can be an equivalent to stone, so it does increase the value of the property by having polished concrete. Plus, it is attractive to a future home buyer because it is an open canvas. And even if they don't like polished concrete, they can put something over it versus having to replace the existing flooring and putting something new. So that is one of the main reasons why it is a maintenance-free option. In reference to slip resistant, our process we have created, we have our own process, which is the Echo Polish system. From my background, I'm a former military, served in the military under 3 deployments, 17 years, and used to be an auditor for the Department of Defense. So one thing I do know is that systems is the way to make sure that you get a consistent result. So after 7 years of being owner of this business, I've created an Echo Polish system that will ensure you get the same process consistently over time, so you don't have the headaches of having to deal with an inexperienced contractor or a handyman or a painter that calls himself a concrete polisher, and you don't get the final outcome that you want. If you would like to learn more about our process, about our systems, if you would like to get a quote, a free consultation, please click on the link below or somewhere on this page, and either John or I will call you to explain to you more about the process and answer any questions that you might have. Or you can schedule your own call and on the link that we have around this video. So we will love to work with you on this journey of polishing your floors or any concrete restoration or beautification needs. And you have a wonderful day.